Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming whether your 2013 Audi A6 uses H7 halogen or D3 xenon bulbs by checking the owner's manual and the sticker on the headlight housing. Buy one exact replacement bulb and a few tools: flat screwdriver, 8mm socket, and nitrile gloves to avoid touching the glass. Park the car on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition off. Before you touch wiring, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and accidental actuator movement. Open the hood and decide access. Most 2013 Audi A6 low-beam bulbs are reachable from the engine bay, but for tight clearance, remove the wheel arch liner or turn the steering wheel for room. Remove the rubber dust cap or plastic cover, then unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab. For halogen H7, release the spring clip. For xenon D3, follow the locking ring procedure. Remove the bulb. Replace it with a new unit without touching the glass. Secure the clip or ring and reconnect the wiring. After installing the bulb and securing all clips and covers, reconnect the negative battery terminal and power the lights to confirm both high and low beams illuminate without flicker. To check aim, park the car perpendicular to a flat wall on level ground at 25 feet. Measure to the headlight centerline and adjust the vertical screw so the bright cutoff is about 3.5 inches below that centerline. Reinstall the dust cap and wheel liner, tighten fasteners, close the hood, and perform a brief road test to verify alignment and stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.